We were looking to buy a sneaker for our little one, and we thought of exploring lots of other websites. We've been to popular sites as well, but we landed up to FirstCry, and this cute product by Babyhug, that in pink color, this will steal your heart. And this is seriously very comfortable, very sturdy, and your kid will love this. We really like it a lot, so we thought to buy it, and it will cost you around 800 rupees, but there are some offers that are ongoing offers basically on FirstCry that will further reduce the cost to 100 or maybe 50, 200. That's depend on your luck. So better go ahead and try your luck, buy this, enjoy. And from the quality point of view, I would say this is one of the best product in this price range. So the price that you pay, you'll not regret for that. You really like this product. And specifically when we let our little munchkin to wear it, she really likes it. She started wandering here and there, and at points she was denying to wear it out. So this is really nice. Good.